Hi, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen today. I wanted to share with you one of my time-saving tricks that I use for a busy week. Part of being a healthy cook and family and keeping your family healthy, and also being conscious of time and money. There's lots of things to do, and as much as I like to experiment and have fun in the kitchen, I wanted to share this as kind of like one of my base things I do before the whole week and the craziness starts. So if you have a crock pot, it is one of your best friends, especially if you have a schedule that is very, very tight. I have here, it's about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've trimmed and just rinsed them off. And I'll usually start this like in the morning and let it go for about 6 hours. I'm going to pour a little bit of broth over that, just to cover. It was about 1.5 cups. And then I'm just going to put this on low right now. My goal at the end is to have a bunch of shredded chicken that I can later use in the week for putting on salads, making shredded chicken tacos, or some sort of burrito. So I'll see you back for the final in 6-7 hours. Welcome back. So it's been 6 hours, and my great kitchen assistant, this Crockpot, has cooked these chicken breasts perfectly. And as you can see, very tender, very moist. So I am just going to shred these up, put this in a pan, and that's ready for this week. So this is a super simple thing. It does all the cooking for you, and you've got something very healthy. Pop it into salads. Like I said, I like to sometimes make some taco meat out of it, just with some taco seasoning in a skillet. I can show you that another day. But whatever you think of, pop that into the comments and let us know what you like to use your shredded chicken for. But I just wanted to save you a little time, show you a quick shortcut, and because we all need to save a little bit of time in the kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in to Crazy Turtle. I can't wait to see you again. Take care.